the requirements, the qualities of becoming a speaker of Uganda. So why did Anita Anetamong become speaker when we had competent people who had the characteristics of the NRA, of the NRM that we considered? From that background, the future of NRA. From that background, I would love us to first differentiate for Ugandans, the parliamentarians, and the future royal cadres of the movement, and the NRA cadres of the movement, that from the previously concluded SEC elections of the NRM, Your Excellency, I would love to bring it to your notice that your roots were cut from the stem and you remained as a party chairman.
These people, whether they are 8, whether they are 9, whether they are 10, let them come, we ask them questions. And remember, Parliament is not a personal property. Yes. Parliament is not like an LC1 office. Parliament is not like a tax packer. No. We believe there are so many members of Parliament, actually over something like 500 plus. These people were elected by people from different regions, from the eastern region, from the northern region, central region, eastern region. We want these people to watch you fidgeting with issues on a national television. You understand?
Yes.
Whichever goes wrong in Parliament, you as members of Parliament, you are going to be blamed.